So today I got Avery, the customer, and he got a 2021. Is that 2021, right? Veloster, Hyundai. So tell me what you did. So he got an amp hooked up, but it's not powering, right? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, we hooked everything up to the stock amp, and the amp won't have no power.
Okay, so first thing I'm gonna look at, see if this is right. Battery, blue, ground. I'm gonna check where he's grounded at, and the remote. So he's got the speaker, everything looks right. He's gonna do the rest. I'm just gonna kind of fix a couple things for him. I'm gonna do some basic testing. So here we go. So I'm gonna making sure that he's got power to it. So basically I'm gonna put one ground. You can use a test light or a voltmeter or a fluke like this. So he definitely got good power already. Let's see, can you turn the radio on?
Yeah, I can.
So he's gonna turn that radio on, and let's see if it's got 12 volt.
Do I need to like play something?
Yeah. So no power. Yeah, you don't have power. So you don't have to turn them on. Usually when you turn on the music, it should come on already. Let me double check over here with the amp on the passenger side. So from looking at this, he got the Metra line out converter. He's got this hooked up right. It's a blue output. Well, actually he didn't put the ground in here. He's got the power right. Looks like I had to double test that. Let me check. All right, he's got this 12 volt right, going to the second one right there, but he need a ground. I believe this will go the ground. I'm gonna test, make sure that's a ground before I do anything, but before that I'm gonna tape this up. Just by looking at this, he's cutting this from the amp output. So basically there's a signal coming from the radio going here to the amp, and then this gonna send output. So I believe he got this wrong right there. As you can see, it'll be pink and blue and green and orange. So I'm gonna reconnect that back to it soft, and then I'm just gonna tap to it, not cutting it, but tap to it. According to my diagram, this is right, but the problem that he had is he's not supposed to cut this off right there. He's supposed to tap to it. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be tapping to this and make it work like that. So I'm using T-tap and male quick disconnect. People telling me that some people that hardly use this is the best T-tap you can use. This is not from U-Haul, okay? This don't just come off or came off, whatever you say, but this is the best to use. So I basically, green is positive, so I'm gonna use the white and gray and plug it in here. I had to use two hands to plug it in, and the other one I'm gonna plug the white black and gray black to the orange one. Also, I'm gonna hook up the black wire, which is ground. I already tested already. This black right here from the Metro kits. So now everything's plugged, hooked up. I'm gonna use a butt connector for this, because I don't like it like this. That's why customer asked me, what if I got a loose wire? You're not gonna get a loose wire from me. So if you're looking at it, line out converter, you hook up an RCA jack all the way to the front. He's got everything correct. So I'm gonna plug this thing back, the amp back right here. Make sure it's all the way plugged in and keep it right here. He's gonna do the rest because I'm not charging him a full price. So get everything back. We don't know if it's gonna work, but it should work. I haven't tested everything else where he plugged his terminal, battery terminal and everything yet, but definitely he's got power here. So let's see, we got this on the low pass. Okay, this is a mono, so it's good. So let's see. Let me see, he's got this wiring right, so sometime. Yep, it's playing. couple adjustment here. Go ahead, turn it up. Yep. Check and see how he ran the power. What's your name again?
Avery?
Avery, yeah. Well, he got a fuse holder right there. Oh, yeah, you need to get them good. Got this right. So this is a 10 millimeter right there. He ran it through the rubber boot right in there. And yeah, it looks good except here. Yep, you want that fixed?
Yes, please.
It's gonna be a little bit more money.
That's fine.
But yeah, ain't that much. Okay, I'll fix that real quick. But other than that, what do you think?
I think it sounds good.
Okay, great. You did a good job though. It's just what you did wrong was you cut that wire. You're not supposed to cut it. You're lucky you cut over 2 inch. If not, I would have tell you need to go buy that plug. And being 2021, you're gonna have a hard time finding them.
Yeah.
But yeah, you did great though overall. Just a small mistake. But yeah, hey, when I was your age, that's what I do. I burn some stuff up too. Trust me.
I put starlights in my car too. Like I've done.
Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah. That's a way to learn. Not just It's always you gotta learn something. You just got started somewhere. First. YouTube sometimes they don't really tell you everything.
Yeah.
Me, my channel, I usually tell you everything, and then if you're a member, you get more information from everything. But a lot of time, sometimes don't believe YouTube all the time. You gotta kind of make sure you check out a couple channel, make sure they're more legit than just like, hey, just do this, do that, and then next thing you know, you burn up your car. But anyway, you did a great job. Thank you for your business, though.
Of course.
Yep. Yeah, he made a hole right there and used a grommet right there. That's good too. But the best part is right here. You just had to push it to the side right there, to the left side. So just take like a flat head and push it through and turn it around left and right. You'll get through with that rubber right there. It's a lot easier than trying to drill. I see how he drilled. So he took probably about a good 5 minutes trying to drill that hole, because you see this moving right there. But other than that, yeah, through here, this is the best spot to do.